Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A05s, a budget-friendly phone with some solid upgrades. If you're looking for an affordable device with decent performance, this one might be worth considering. Starting with the features, the Galaxy A05s is powered by an updated mid-range processor that ensures smooth performance for daily tasks. It comes with a large high refresh rate display, making scrolling and media consumption more enjoyable. The battery is designed to last all day with a fast charging option, so you won't have to worry about running out of power. The phone also includes an improved camera setup with AI enhancements, providing better low-light photography and sharper details. Samsung has also optimized the software, offering a clean interface with the latest Android updates and security patches. Looking at the exterior, the Galaxy A05s has a sleek design with a modern finish. It features a premium-looking plastic build that keeps the device lightweight yet durable. The bezels are slimmer than before, giving it a more immersive screen experience. The rear camera module is slightly refined, aligning with Samsung's newer design language. The phone comes in multiple colors, catering to different style preferences. Overall, the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A05s is a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable smartphone on a budget. With an improved display, better cameras, and long battery life, it competes well in the entry-level category. If you want a device that delivers essential features without breaking the bank, this could be a great option. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one. Here's your YouTube script for the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A05s. Let me know if you need any tweaks or additional details.